Welcome to today's episode on how to change the family tree view. Viewing your tree in different ways can help you get a better idea of where you should work on next. To change the view of your tree, click on the top left drop-down menu. Landscape view is helpful if you want to see the children of each couple. On portrait view, it forms a more tree-like visual. Fan chart view is extremely helpful to see where there are gaps in your tree lines, which are shown in different colors. In the fan chart view, you can also filter on the left-hand side to see the different birthplaces in your tree, which people have sources, stories, and photos. This helps you know where you can enrich your tree a bit more. It also has an option to show where in your tree FamilySearch provides research help. In the research help, you can see clearly if there are any data problems, record hints, or research suggestions. The final view for the family tree is the descendancy view. This is a great option if you want to check for distant cousins. On the other tree views, the focus is on your direct ancestors. For example, on the fan chart, Amy can see her great-grandfather, Daniel James Parker, and the direct family line from him to her, but she cannot see any other children and other descendants Daniel James Parker had. Using the descendancy view, Amy can click on Daniel James Parker and see all of his children, navigating down through a different line to see his other descendants.